Hello, this is Mike Stieber, sales rep at Capistrano Volkswagen. Today I wanted just to go over very briefly maintenance and maintenance cycle on the new ID4 or Intelligent Design 4. Car does not require a lot, no combustion engine, single gear transmission, so no oil changes, no oil transmission services to speak of, but they do need to check it. Great idea to rotate your tires and wheels every 5 to 10,000 miles. Great idea to have the technicians checked on the battery and the coolant system involved, a little bit of oil in your air conditioning systems. And it's just a good idea to bring it in and have it serviced. It's a complicated vehicle, a lot of electrical parts in here, a lot of software, and we just recommend that you stay on top of that. If anything else were to go wrong with the car outside of its basic service, you've got a 4-year or 50,000 mile bumper-to-bumper limited new car warranty from Volkswagen. That'll cover pretty much everything except your wear items like your tires, your brake pads, wiper blades, things that generally wear out. You also have CarNet in this vehicle, and that's kind of a way to stay connected to your vehicle even when you're not in it. You can set timing for charging, you can check it when you're not in the vehicle, see if you've let the windows open, and there's all kinds of fun things you can do with the CarNet app on your phone. These are great cars. This particular one's not for sale yet. It's just here as a demo, but you are welcome to come in and check it out and even test drive it. Best way to do that is to call me directly. My number is 949-303-3446. I look forward to assisting you, and you have a great day.